Hello again, nail friends who like nail art. We are doing a super easy summer glazed donut look. The glazed donut has taken over. I don't know. I don't get it. I just call them jellies or shears, but that's me. I guess I'm old school that way. We are going to do a garden wedding look. I'm going to do one nail 3 different ways so you can see how quick and easy it can be for you at home or at the salon to stamp your nails with this glazed look to make a pretty elegant design for going out or for weddings or any other special occasions you might have coming up this summer. I am going to start by, I was going to do roses and then I decided not to. I'm actually going to do these lovely little cherry blossoms because I saw them when I was going to stamp and decided to change my mind. So there you go. That's what happened there. And I'm going to use just parts of it. So I'm going to stamp part of the stamp at the top and part of the stamp at the bottom. And what that's going to do is leave some negative space in between and create a really cute look for this nail. I did have an issue because I let the paint dry a little too long. So one way to fix that is to take a little base coat and put it on the back of your stamper, which I'm going to do right now. And I'm going to show you how to do that. This is a great trick for when you let it go too long. You don't have to restamp. You can just coat it with a little base coat, let it dry for a minute or two, throw your stamper around if it makes you feel good, because, you know, apparently I did, and then stamp it right onto the nail, just like that. And there we have one nail done with some pretty cherry blossoms. The next nail that we are going to do is going to have kind of a similar effect to the first one. They all have the same background to them, and that is just an iridescent clear. This time, however, I'm going to go in with a white on white. So I say white on white because it's an iridescent white that the nails are painted in. And we're going to go over it with a white, frosted white paint as a nail art paint. It does make it very hard for the camera to pick it up, but you can see it in the opening shot and also at the end. It is a very subtle look on purpose because some people want to have a little bit of a design, but they don't really want it to be in your face. So if you have a client like that, it's a great way to try that. I am going to do that same stamp again, this time in purple though, so that you can see it better and also so you can see how 2 different nails can have a very different look using the same thing. And I'm going to go across sideways, and there you have it. I know that that is super light, but hopefully you can see the difference in the two and just the difference of using the same stamp in a different placement. On that purple one, I am going to go in and also add a butterfly. And that butterfly is going to be like kind of hanging out right on the edge of that flower. Just like that, as if it's about to land on the flower. There you go, you can kind of see it that way. The hard thing with filming these jelly nails, these glazed donut nails, sorry, I keep calling them jelly nails, is that they're very, very light. And it's hard to see on film when you're filming them, the backgrounds. But hopefully, like I said, in the next couple steps here, as we top coat them, the top coat will bring up that color a little bit more, and then I can get a little closer in with the camera, and hopefully that will also show you just a little bit more what that design looks like. The white dots you're seeing underneath the nail is just the jelly stuff that I use to hold them in place. If I popped those off, the nail would be clear all the way through. There you go. Super simple, super easy, wedding or formal event, elegant nails. 3 different ways. See you in the next one. Don't forget to check out the sneak peek.